Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here, and as you have seen, I have decorated my room for Christmas. We have the Yule log on over here. It's actually the next day, that's why I look a little different than what you just saw of me, but I have that going. Right now I'm editing the clips that you just saw, so if you like the video thus far, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on socials, they'll be somewhere down here. As I explained last week, I'm not doing vlogmas, I'm just doing like holiday content related videos, so give me suggestions down below for what you want to see about that. But I want to do a quick little like Christmas tag. Before that, let's roll to some clips of how our downstairs looks, because it's super festive, super cute. As you can see behind me, lots going on behind me, but I will give you a quick little rundown. Right here is where our rod is, you can see here in the center, and then garland with lights, super cute, cozy blanket from last year, some cute little trees, and these joy and merry signs right here like last year. Our Christmas tree, I'll get over there in a second. We have these little like Christmas tree candle holder cutouts. Everybody got this cute little candle holder that says Merry Christmas on it with a candle, and then these mats I actually got last fall from Hobby Lobby, so we're just kind of repurposing them. Again, the other tree. Then here's the Christmas tree. This year we decided to do the Santa hat instead of the star. I think it's cute. It's a little fun festive touch to it. We have the beads wrapped around this year instead of the ribbon, and then our ornaments over in red with some like white. So here's the tree, and then this cute little tree skirt at the bottom. For here in the kitchen, like last year, we have these little towels that say Believe and then Noel, and then we also have the trees that we actually lit up last night. I'll insert that clip right now. But during the day we just keep them, of course, white so it looks neutral, and it kind of matches the kitchen decor pretty well right there. And then the last things are these little like reindeer snowman situations that we had over here. So here's the reindeer and here's the snowman, and we just have them kind of on our little end tables with the lamp. Hi guys, you know what time it is when you see me sitting in my bed. It's editing time. So I'm actually editing this video, and it is a little shorter. Now that I decided the tag would be its own video for next week. Stay tuned for that. But besides that point, I wanted to add here at the end, instead of doing a whole separate like dry with me holiday video where I would get copyrighted anyway, I figured I would just kind of add here at the end like a little montage of all my holiday songs on my playlist. A whole bunch of different genres in there, so it might have something for everyone, hopefully. And thank you so much for watching. So I hope you enjoy this next part. Let's see what's on my holiday playlist. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on socials, and until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.